What do we know about the origin of the COVID-19 pandemic? How did SARS-CoV-2, the new coronavirus that caused COVID-19-induced deaths, killing more than 4 million people across the world, come into being in the first place? A United States investigation into the origin of the coronavirus pandemic is currently due to conclude, but here are some of those questions that we answer. Was there a laboratory accident? What animal did the virus come from? Here's what we know about the virus so far. Where was the virus first discovered? The virus was first detected in Wuhan, China in late 2019 and has set off a global pandemic. Some studies suggest that the new SARS-CoV-2 virus had been spreading for several weeks or even months before it was discovered in Wuhan in late December 2019. Where did the coronavirus come from? Well, there are two strong possible theories that have been noted until date. One, the virus jumped from animals, possibly originating with bats, to humans. And two, that it escaped from a virology laboratory in Wuhan, China. A World Health Organization team investigating the origin of the COVID-19 pandemic concluded that the virus probably originated in bats and then later on passed to people through an intermediate animal. This highly contagious virus later passed to people through an intermediate animal at one of Wuhan's Hunan markets. It's also believed that in November 2019, 3 employees at the institute fell so seriously ill with COVID-like symptoms that they had to be treated in a clinic. But China claims that never happened. So why don't we exactly know where did it come from? To trace the virus's origin, it's crucial to pin down exactly when the first case occurred in people. The WHO team established that the first person known to have COVID-19 was an office worker in Wuhan with no recent travel history. But the virus was probably spreading in the city even before that because it was well established later that month. Many scientists believe a natural origin is more likely as they have seen no scientific evidence to support the laboratory leak theory. But on the other hand, why do some scientists suspect a laboratory accident? Well, evidence shows that the Wuhan Institute of Virology experimented with the coronavirus RATG13 and with RMYN02. The gene sequence is 93.3% identical to SARS-CoV-2. That means there are two proven scenarios here. SARS-CoV-2 could have been either artificially made as a bioweapon or released from the lab by accident. Although the Wuhan lab scientists now have said that there's no trace of SARS-CoV-2 in their inventory at that time.